Charlie. Oh, yeah. Come on. Charlie, come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Charlie. Come on, Charlie. That's it, Charlie. Here you go. Here you go. Come on, baby. Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Charlie, come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, down here, Charlie. Down on the floor. Come on, Charlie. No? Oh, Charlie. Dance, Charlie, dance. Dance, Charlie, dance. Dance, Charlie, dance. Come on, dance, Charlie, dance. Dance, Charlie. Charlie, do you need some food? Yeah? Do you see that? Do you need some food, Charlie? Yeah, you need some food? Want some food? Yeah, Charlie? Charlie, are you okay? You don't look so good. Okay, anyway, over here, I'll show you my little guys. Now, that white one there, walking over there, that's a girl. We can't remember her name. See that there? That's my girl. That's Roughneck. And the big red guy there, that's Red, right? Yeah, he's really annoying. I just fed them. Anyway, let's come over here and I'll introduce you to Barth and Belch. Okay, now this guy here, this big guy, like right there, that's Barth. Wait, no, that's Belch. And that little guy there, that's Belch. Barth and Belch. Barth and Belch. So that one's Barth over here. And that guy is Belch. Anyway, those little birdies over there that were just over here. As you can see, it's flying up there. They normally hang out in that tree up there. But I also fed some fishies. Look at all of them. There's about 42 of them in here. My grandmother's had them for about several years. They keep laying eggs. The new fish pop up, but eventually we're going to have to take them out and sell them. So, there's the little legs, I think, hatching. Anyway, let's introduce you to my bee friends, even though I'm allergic. But they don't come. Look at how many bees there are. Let's zoom you in. Look at that guy. Yeah, there's so many. Anyways. If they sting me, I end up fainting. Because, like, I'm allergic to them. So every time I get stung, I pass out. And, like I'll just be sitting there quietly. Can't hear anyone, can't reply, and I'll be asleep. So, yeah. Anyway, that's Charlie. In here is Red, Roughneck, and I can't remember that big white one's name. Anyway, the Red and that guy there, he's only born this year, but that little girl down there, she's actually been here for about 3 years. Now, those two, my little birdie back there, and these two in here, they're all different kinds.